Today's the day we're starting to build the walls. It is gonna rain, I think, in like an hour. So we're trying to put up a wall. Joe's measured, remeasured, triple checked.
But I'm putting an anchor bolt. 3-inch one. Got these 16 on center. You know what I could do? I got a better idea. We'll build the wall, stand it up, attach it, square it, and then drill it and lay the redheads.
Good idea.
You're watching American Roots. Tricky part. These are going to be connected here, flush with this edge. So roll this, build it.
It doesn't matter which edge.
Well, yeah, it does because the way it's laid out. Plumb until I get the other top plate on. That should keep them all flush. Due to Claire. I need a stapler. You know where the stapler's at?
Mm-mm.
So here's the other thing too. We're gonna use the nail gun and we're gonna do nails and screws. Screws break, so if the building flexes, which on this concrete, it's like 11 inches thick here. I don't think. And then shoot it with nails. Pop, pop. So it has 2 nails and 1 screw. What do you think of that? Saves on screws, and nails are the way they do it anyway. So I'll just tack them with the screw so they're there, and then we'll come back by and press them in the nail gun. So I'll just go. That's it. Way too deep. Measure that out, 18 on center. If you want with the tape measure, you could do that. So what you could use if you want is this. Cut it here. Keep it straight. Hold that. Tight. You measure these, they're right on 16 on center. That's gonna tight there. Tight there. It's a good idea to get the block out. Definitely straightens them out. Might as well keep it true on this side.
Got the wall built. He went in with screws. Now he's going in with nails. My tape fell off.
Sweet. All turned out pretty good.
Nice.
I'm gonna sweep all that shit out. Sandra, out there. You said middle batches. That was a racist cusser. So here's the key to why I'm building it like this. It's because you have cold air and all the cold stuff is hitting this. And when if you were to drywall it, even if it was 6 inches thick, if you were to drywall it, that, I don't know,
It's not a thermal barrier. It's going to transfer through to the drywall.
Right. So then your wall's cold. But what happens here is you created this thermal barrier, just like you said, to where, and then these will probably go off.
The warmth of the house now will heat the other side.
And same with sound. So there's no sound that'll travel through. That's how they actually soundproof a lot of rooms, is they'll offset sides so that they're not touching or so that...
So you are going to offset them?
I'm not sure yet. I gotta get, probably. I mean...
So what kind of top plate would you use?
To tie it all in?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, maybe I'll use a 2x10.
It's pretty robust.
Yeah. And it's about the same price as using 2x6 by doing 2x4.
Do you insulate in between those two?
I will.
With like regular rollout insulation?
Yes. You can also use the stuff that you blow in there. I've seen, actually that's where I got the idea. The guy, that's what he did, is he blew insulation in, but I'm gonna roll it in and then I'm actually gonna do all my water lines, or most of them are going to be on the interior anyway, but any exterior ones that should protect that too, because they'll be within that thermal barrier, and I'll probably attach them to this stud or go through them, and they're not going to freeze. And this room's going to stay hot too, because apparently you want a door right here.
Thanks, B.
Thanks, B. She needs me.
B needs me to put a door right there.